How you guys doing today? This is Shaq Kicks. I went to GameStop and picked up these two new PS4 controllers. I like how they look by the colorway, so here we go. I picked up the gold PS4 controller, as you can see, from GameStop. And the second controller I picked up is the camouflage, like army-like, military-like camouflage PS4 controller. Pretty cool. So let's unbox these controllers, shall we? I actually needed some PS4 controllers because all I had is just one controller here. So I needed to get more PS4 controllers. So here we go. As you can see, the PS4 controller is really nice. As you can see by the graphics and the pattern of the camouflage, it is some good material. The controller in the back is this like camel green, as you can see. Your regular PS4 controller, nothing to it. I like the pattern. Feels very nice on the hand. So this is one controller. Let's put this down. And this is the second controller, so let's unbox this. The two controllers were, I think the camouflage was $54 and this was $64. I guess this one's because this is like a special edition one, because it comes in gold. So here we go. As you can see, this controller is in gold. It's pretty cool. It has a nice material. I like how it feels in the hand. In the back it has this like caramel color to it. So yeah, I picked up these two controllers from GameStop. From all the colorways that they had, these two were pretty special to me because this one's gold and this is camouflage. Since I'm in the military, it makes perfect sense to get an army controller, so it's pretty cool. So this is the army controller and the military camouflage controller, and this is the gold controller. I will be making more electronic videos on my channel besides sneakers. If you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and if you guys have a PS4, my PSN or my username in PlayStation Network is Shaq Kicks, SHAQKICKS. If you guys want to add and play with me, I got all the games that I got for the PS4 right now here in Texas, but back in California I got more. I got NBA Live 19. I got Spider-Man. I got Crash, the game. Obviously I have to have The Last of Us. The Last of Us 2 is actually coming out, I believe, next year. Uncharted 4. NBA 2K18. Tom Clancy's The Division. Deus Ex Mankind Divided. Star Wars Battlefront. And Killzone Shadowfall. So here I have basically 10 games. If you guys have these games, you guys could play with me online if you guys want to. And yeah, I have more PS4 footage and games coming your way. And if you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up, sub, comment, share this video, share this channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.